Okay, we're going to move on to our next presentation. That is, sorry. Yeah, yeah, by Geoffrey. Yeah, the Altius.
So,
go ahead. Can you hear me, Geoffrey?
Hey guys.
Yeah.
My name is Geoffrey Licciardello. I'm an aerospace engineer and program manager with Altius Space Machines. Just going to give you guys a quick rundown of some of the dust mitigation technologies that we're working on and tools to operate in the lunar and Martian environments. So what you're seeing here is an image of a dust-tolerant tool changer that we're developing under a NASA SBIR Phase 2 program. This tool changer uses electropermanent magnets, or EPMs, to create an axial holding force between the male and female sides. And it's basically a programmable magnet assembly that can be turned on and off at will to create a latching force or remove that latching force. But it's completely solid state. There's no moving parts. So it's very dust tolerant. And it doesn't consume power to maintain the state, only to switch states. So it's very good for applications where you can be very power limited. It also uses wireless power and data transfer through coils on the hex sides of the tool changer assembly. So there are no exposed ports, things that are very sensitive to dust. We can keep everything well sealed with static seals and avoid the greater difficulty that comes with actually having to have linear or rotary seals, which is much more complicated and difficult to seal with. Where we need some help right now to further advance this technology is better characterization of dust adhesion properties, higher fidelity simulants, and more access to a variety of simulants. Right now, we have access to MLS1 simulant, but in order to fully qualify this for different environments, we're going to need to go deeper on that testing, and access to all that will help us greatly. Go ahead, go to the next slide. So at our facility, we've actually, using internal funding, built our own dust test chamber that allows us to create a dust storm.
Geoffrey, you have 1 minute remaining.
Thank you. So we load this up with MLS1 simulant. We have a recirculating air supply that blows that around, creates a very aggressive and well-distributed dust storm. So we can put units under test, see how well they perform, and subject them to basically the closest thing we can right now on the ground to a severe dust storm environment. Next slide. So we're using this this test chamber for our tool changer program, but also it's available to use for any other people that want to take their own devices that they want to set up for dust testing and put it through its paces. Altius also is part of a family of companies under Voyager Space Holdings, and several of our sister companies also have other dust mitigation technologies, which could be very useful. So if you guys are interested in either working with us on testing or learning more about our tool changer, please feel free to contact us at the contact information below. Thank you very much.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.